We're excited to introduce to you one of our longest fiberglass pools, the Marathon. It's a marvel of our rectangle pool-shaped family, designed not just for cooling off, but for offering you a summer filled with both fun and fitness. The Marathon stands out in its own classification. With an impressive length of 39, it's the perfect choice for our athletic consumers who crave for rigorous swimming activity regularly. We designed the Marathon with a simple foundation in mind, to benefit the athletes. So, we loaded it with basic features that can be upgraded for added allure and enhanced beauty. Your backyard can now be the summer oasis of your dreams. But wait, there's more. The second benefit of the Marathon pool is its attached spa. Before jumping in for your daily swim, just turn on the spa heater. Once you're done exercising, slide into the relaxing warmth of the spa to soothe those worked out muscles. It's your perfect pre-office routine, a blend of rejuvenation and relaxation. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.